Hello guys, and welcome to Not David Simulator. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to remove the two front seat and its connectors on 2003 through 2009 PT Cruiser. Enjoy the video and please hit a like and subscribe to my channel. Hey guys, I want to show you how to remove these PT Cruiser connectors, because when you're going to be pulling on it, they don't want to remove like this, because there's this little red tab on the inside and it's actually sitting in there quite deep. I think for this one it actually sits on this side. No, it's actually sitting on this side, and it's actually keeping you from you know, having to push down on this connector. So what you're gonna need to do is take this, use this little tab to pry it with a flathead screwdriver, push it out and just go ahead and pull it completely out. And then when you do that, just press down on this and this, you know, gets out like that. And this little connector on the yellow side, it comes out over here like that. So that's how you do it. And then we gotta take the seat out. Okay, let's pull the seat out.
Okay. Yeah. Wow, now we have a lot of spots. Наш больше места есть.
Yep, we're gonna go ahead and actually take these plastics out as well. So we're gonna take that seat out as well. Yeah, we're gonna be removing. Show you how to remove it. So what you do is you need a 15-inch socket and a wrench, and then you set it down over here like this, and then you start taking it apart like that. So when you remove it, just put the bolt over here. Okay, now we're gonna need to stick the seat back. Then we're gonna have to go underneath and find the bolts here. Okay, now all of the bolts are removed. Now we're going to need to tilt the seat back, just like we did before. So let's tilt the seat. We need to let this piece go down. Actually, I'm probably going to do like this time. So in this video, guys, I want to show you how to remove the front connectors. For this one, you're gonna need to just pry these things apart like that. So that's a quite easy one. So we do have another one that's got like one of those pieces that you need to pry. So you just get in with the screwdriver, just pry it out. Try to get in there like that. And you could use your fingers, or you could just use something like this to pull it out. And now you're gonna need to press a tab, and boom, that is out. Now you can actually pull the seat out. So the actual bolts are over here for the seat, for you to actually remove them, and you get in there from actually the side, you know, kind of like that. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and please consider subscribing to my channel. I do many projects including fixing stuff, doing body work on cars, and this PT Cruiser is actually going to be a KTM supercar project that I will be doing with my boys. So I hope you guys follow me on that. It should be very interesting. Thank you. Bye-bye.